The problem? Timely and effective communication with your widely dispersed workforce. Email has been the number one method of employee communication. However, email has its challenges. A high percentage of emails are never even opened, and not all employees want to add a work email to their personal devices. The solution is communicating via one app, the one app maintained and upgraded by the carrier, the one app that's already on every phone. SMS Text Messaging. Introducing Communication Nexus. Communication Nexus is an enterprise-wide communication system designed specifically for dispersed employees or those not issued a laptop or a phone. Delivering near-instant communication via the text messaging protocol SMS. Why is Communication Nexus unique? Number one, simple, quick employee surveys. 2, configurable keywords. Number 3, Communication Nexus is multilingual. 4, scheduled messages, birthday greetings, licensure reminders, etc. And 5, complex distribution. You can message by geography, manager, pay group, it's your choice. For rapid notification, SMS is superior to email. Statistically, only 1 of 4 emails received are ever even opened. However, 82% of text messages typically read within 5 minutes. For more information on Communication Nexus, let's schedule a call.